ஹாய் எவ்ரி ஒன். இந்த வீடியோவில் மார்கரெட் அட்வுட் எழுதின சர்ஃபேசிங் அப்படிங்கிற நாவலில் இருந்து ஒரு 150 MCQs பார்க்க போகிறோம். அதுக்கு முன்னாடி நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிடுங்க. மறக்காமல் பக்கத்தில் இருக்கிற பெல் ஐக்கானை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். அப்போ தான் நான் போடுற நிறைய வீடியோஸோடைய நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் உங்களுக்கு வரும். இப்போ கொஷின்ஸ் பார்க்கலாம். மார்கரெட் அட்வுட் இஸ் டேஷ் ஆத்தர். ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் நைஜீரியன், அமெரிக்கன், கெனேடியன். ஆன்சர் கெனேடியன். Next question. The novel Surfacing is published in the year dash 1972, 1974, 1982. Answer 1972. Next question. The novel Surfacing is adapted into a movie in the year dash 1981, 1982, 1987. Answer 1982. Next question. What is the common theme of Atwood novels? Options: feminism, racism, tribal life. Answer feminism. Next question. The major theme of the novel Surfacing is dash. Options: reconciliation, separation, atonement. Answer separation. The setting of the novel is dash. Options: Ottawa, Ontario, Quebec. Answer Quebec. Next question. The novel Surfacing has been compared to Sylvia Plath's novel called dash. Option: The Bell Jar, Winter Trees, Crossing the Water. Answer the Bell Jar. Next question. The narrator of the novel feels disconnected from the people around her and equates the human interaction with that of dash. Options: animals, birds, ghost. Answer animals. Next question. The narrator returns to her hometown in Canada to find her missing dash. Options: child, father, mother. Answer father. Next question. The novel Surfacing is a companion novel to Atwood's collection poems called dash. Options: Power Politics, Procedures for Underground, True Stories. Answer Power Politics. Next question. The unnamed narrator envies people whose dash. Options: parents were rich when they were young, parents died when they were young. C. Parents were in politics when they were young. Answer: parents died when they were young. Next question. The line bloody fascist pig yanks was said by dash. Options: Joe, Anna, David. Answer David. Next question. Earlier, Anna was singing the dash song several times to make her voice go throaty and deep. Options: House of the Rising Sun and Lily Melon. Deep, deep into the jungle, deep, deep. Oh my angel, all in vain. Answer: House of the Rising Sun and Lily Melon. Next question. Dash calls himself the director. Options: Joe, David, Paul. Answer David. Next question. David says that they are the dash men. Options: Renaissance, Revered, Modern. Answer Renaissance. The next question. The name of the movie that David was working for, its dash. Options: Crystal Clear, Random Samples, Random Pimples. Answer Random Samples. Next question. In the bottle house, the brown bottles were arranged in such a manner to expose the word dash. Options: Bottle House, Bottle Villa, House of Bottle. Answer Bottle Villa. Next question. The voting slogan that the narrator saw in the cliff is dash. Options: Oates Goddard, Oates O'Brien, both A and B. Answer both A and B. Next question. The unnamed narrator and her companion stopped in the motel named dash. Bar Beer Beer, Buick's Cola Cola Glaze, Quebec Leb. Answer Bar Beer Beer. Next question. Dash called his or her parents the pigs. Options: Joe, David, Anna. Answer David. Next question. In the gas station, the narrator and her companion saw dash moose in human dress. Options: 2, 3, 4. Answer 4. Next question. When did the narrator meet Paul? Option: June, mid-July, July. Answer July. Next question. In Paul's place, the narrator found 2 dash colored car. Pink and green, pink and red, green and red. Answer pink and red. Next question. The phrase bonjour monsieur means dash. Options: hello sir, best wishes, have mercy. Answer: hello sir. Next question. The narrator has memorized the work of which author? Options: Milton and Shakespeare, Pope and Dryden, Racine and Baudelaire. Answer: Racine and Baudelaire. Next question. The question which was offered by Paul to the author embroidered the view of dash. Options: Niagara Falls, autumn season, stars in the sky. Answer: Niagara Falls. Next question. The blue ceramic that hanged in the house of Paul is the picture of dash. Options: Mona Lisa, Madonna, Jesus Christ. Answer: Madonna. Next question. The speaker of the line ill fate bew is dash. Options: narrator, narrator's mother, none of the above. Answer: narrator's mother. Next question. The meaning of the phrase ill fate bew is dash. Options: yeah, beautiful, how are you? The weather is nice. Answer: the weather is nice. Next question. According to the narrator, who neither knew more than 5 words of other language? Options: Anna and Madam, David and Paul, Mother and Madam. Answer: Mother and Madam. Next question. Exchange of dash is considered purely ritual by Paul and narrator's father. Options: fruits, vegetables, holy water. Answer: vegetables. Next question. Narrator's mother hates hospitals because she must have been afraid that dash. Options: they would kill her husband, they would experiment on her, they would spoil her happiness. Answer: they would experiment on her. Next question. Who lost won the hearing one of the ears? Options: narrator, narrator's brother, narrator's mother. Answer: narrator's mother. Next question. Who keeps the diary about weather? Options: father, mother, narrator. Answer: mother. Next question. The screen door in Motel where narrator stayed has a dash. Options: natural scenery with a picture of the Christ, black cat cigarettes handle, a lock made up of gold. Answer: black cat cigarettes handle. Next question. The narrator is forbidden to eat dash. Options: khaki colored candies, hamburger, pork. Answer: khaki colored candies. Next question. The name of the motel boy is dash. Options: Claude, Edwin, Cristiano. Answer: Claude. Next one. Bar is the motel is in which shape? Options: glass, fish, boat. Answer: a fish. Next one. Above the bar, there is a regulation pictured blown up photograph of a stream with trees and rapids and a man fishing. Which queen had the picture same like this? Options: Queen Elizabeth, Queen Mary, Queen Victoria. Answer: Queen Victoria. Next question. Dash works in adult education program. Options: Joe, David, Paul. Answer: Joe. Next question. According to the narrator, what her parents would think as an unpardonable sin? Options: leaving her child, married without their consent, a divorce of her in a short marriage life. Answer: leaving her child. Next question. What is the age of Claude when the narrator visited him last time? Options: 8, 7, 6. Answer: 8. Next one. Who was once a radio announcer? Options: David, Joe, narrator. Answer: David. Next one. The owner of the Blue Moon Cabins is dash. Options: David, Joe, Evans. Answer: Evans. Next one. In Evans' dress, the picture of dash is knitted. Options: eagle, heron, hyena. Answer: eagle. Next one. Evans charges dash dollars for 10 miles. Options: 5, 8, 10. Answer: 5. Next question. Dash was one of the policies of the narrator's father. Options: materialism, concealment, camouflage. Answer: camouflage. Next question. According to the viewpoint of the narrator's husband, match the following. Burns, Copper, Dr. Johnson, Goldsmith, Thompson. On the other side, escapist, alcoholic, pauper, manic depression, a madman. So, options: 5, 1, 4, 3, 2, 4, 5, 1, 3, 2, 34512. The answer is 51432. First option. Okay. Next one. Who is the fan of baseball? Options: Joe, David, narrator's father. Answer: David. Next one. The narrator thought that she would have studied dash instead of art. Options: archaeology, linguistics, etymology. Answer: linguistic. Next question. According to the narrator, device is like a dash. Options: death, amputation, relief. Answer: amputation. Next one. Narrator thought that she must have been imitating the paper dolls they had in the city called movie stars dash and dash with two pieces bathing suits. Options: Jane Powell and Esther Williams, Rita and Hayworth, none of the above. Answer: Jane Powell and Esther Williams. Next question. The narrator wore the ring of Joe dash in her left hand, in her right hand, around her neck on a chain. Answer: around her neck on a chain. Next question. Which book did the narrator design at the farmhouse? Options: Quebec Folktales, German Fairy Tales, Departments of Manpower. Answer: Quebec Folktales. Next question. Who said that the drawing of the narrator is too frightening? Options: Evans, Claude, Percival. Answer: Percival. Next question. Which of the following can be imitated by the narrator? Options: Walt Disney and Victorian etchings in sepia, Bavarian cookies and ersatz Eskimo. Both A and B. Answer: both A and B. Next one. Complete the line which was printed 35 times on the narrator's blackboard. On the crest of the hill for all to see, God planted a dash. Options: scarlet maple tree, holy olive, sacred elm. Answer: scarlet maple tree. Next question. The narrator thought that her father wished to protect them from dash distortions. Options: Christianity's evils, superstitions. Answer: Christianity. What is printed on the blackboard of Sunday school? Options: Christianity to all, Kikapo Joy Juice, Jesus the Savior. Answer: Kikapo Joy Juice. Next question. The expansion of CGIT from the novel. Options: Common Girls in Training, Canadian Government in Training, Canadian Girls in Training. Answer: Canadian Girls in Training. Next question. Why didn't the people in the island search the narrator father? They thought that he is dead. They thought that he is turned into a ghost. They thought that he is turned into a wolf. Answer: they thought that he is turned into a wolf. Next one. Who teaches pottery? Option: Joe, David, Paul. Answer: Joe. Next one. What was the narrator's father when they were in the island? Options: manager in bank, cashier in bank, clerk in bank. Answer: clerk in bank. Next question. What are the only diversion of the father when the narrator was a child? Options: attending the mass, reading the Bible, the Sunday trains. Answer: the Sunday trains. Next question. Which of the following historical figure is mentioned by the narrator's father? Options: Hitler, Abraham Lincoln, Pope. Answer: Hitler. Next one. According to the narrator, the father would have fought for dash. Options: defense of science, defense of religion, defense of arts. Answer: defense of science. Next one. Which of the following phrase is considered as joke but the mournful one by the narrator? Options: it is best when you don't know them. It is a blessing to remain as a child. It is the curse to be adult. Answer: it is best when you do not know them. Next question. In which topic did David have seminar? Options: nature is a preacher, man and his electricity environment, man and his electrifying environment. Answer: man and his electrifying environment. Next question. Who proposed to stay in the island for one more week? Options: David, Anna, narrator. Answer: David. Next question. Being socially retarded is like being mentally retarded. Said by options: father, mother, narrator. Answer: narrator. Next question. Fear has a smell as love does. Said by options: narrator, Anna, Joe. Answer: narrator. Next question. The meaning of the phrase RPL archipelago of islands is dash. Options: corner of the islands, main areas of the islands, an extensive group of islands. Answer: an extensive group of islands. Next question: which of the following work is disguised as a game in the thought of the author? Options: fishing in the lake, cooking dishes, picking blueberries. Answer: picking blueberries. Next one: in the view of the narrator, marriage was like dash. Options: monopoly or crossword puzzle, traveling in an arctic forest, both A and B. Answer: monopoly or crossword puzzle. Next one: which magazine did David and Anna read that were 10 years old in the island? Options: Maclean's magazine, the National Geographic, both A and B. Answer: both A and B. Next question: Bill Malmstrom is from options: Michigan, Chicago, Wisconsin. Answer: Michigan. Next question: Malmstrom is a member of the dash branch of the Wildlife Protection Association of America. Options: New York, Detroit, Los Angeles. Answer: Detroit. Next question: where did Malmstrom place situated? Options: Lake Lodge, Lake Y, Lake Erie. Answer: Lake Erie. Next question: why did Malmstrom visit the narrator? Options: to buy the island, to investigate about her father, to take interview about her expedition. Answer: to buy the island. Next one: David suspected that Malmstrom is man for the dash. Option: CAA, terrorist, both A and B. Answer: CAA. Next question: when the narrator was at school, which of incident is made into a drawing? Option: the Last Supper, the announcement, Treaty of Versailles. Answer: Treaty of Versailles. Next one: what was attached to the letter that came to narrator's father? Half dozen Xerox sheets, rock painting of the central shield by Dr. Robin M. Grove. Both A and B. Answer: both A and B. Next one: at the end of the letter, 3 paragraphs entitled dash. Aesthetic qualities and possible significance, animals and methodological creatures, abstract symbols. Answer: aesthetic qualities and possible significance. Next question: the predominant color in the drawing of the father is red because dash. Options: red is his favorite color, red is the sacred color in India, red is the only available color in India. Answer: red is a sacred color in India. Next question: after scrutinizing the pictures of the father, the narrator decided to visit dash. White Birch Lake, White Birches Lake, White Bloom Lake. Answer: White Birch Lake. Next one: the Eskimos had dash names for snow. Options: 52, 62, 72. Answer: 52. Next one: the narrator compared the wide name usage of Eskimos to the importance of love. Options: true or false. Answer: true. Next one: which bird is trained by narrator's mother? Options: heron, jay, parrot. Answer: jay. Next one: the narrator's father researched dash in the island. Options: Indian prehistoric painting, culture of the inhabitants, none of the above. Answer: Indian prehistoric painting. Next question: which bird did David shoot in his camera at its decomposing stage? Options: heron, crane, crows. Answer: heron. Next one: instead of maple leaves in the flag of Canada, David wanted to have. Options: heron, beaver, rosebuds. Answer: beaver. Next one: who is Fred? Options: Paul's son, narrator's brother, one of the Yanks in the view of narrator. Answer: one of the Yanks in the view of narrator. Next one: Fred is from Sarnia, Toronto, New York. Answer: Toronto. Next one: Hitler's house is burning down, My Fair Lady O was sung by father and mother, narrator and her brother, Anna and narrator. Answer: narrator and her brother. Next one: Joe asked Anna to pose naked. Options: true or false. Answer: false. Next one. Under the water, what did the narrator find? Options: her dead father, her child which she left to her husband, her aborted child. Answer: her aborted child. Next one. What did the narrator do the typescript and her drawings at last? Options: fired them, torn them into pieces, threw them in the lake. Uh, Answer: fired them. Next one. The narrator took a blanket with her because she needs it dash. Options: to prevent her from chillness, to cover her until the fur grows, to hide in the forest. Answer: to cover her until the fur grows. Next question. The narrator thought that she was dash. Options: an animal, a bird, a place. Answer: a place. What is the age of the narrator? Options: 30, 34, 37. Answer: 30. Next one. How many chapters are there in the novel Surfacing? Options: 25, 26, 27. Answer: 27. Next one. Name the publishers of Surfacing. Option: Stewart and William, Mecklent and Stewart, Mecklent and William. Answer: Mecklent and Stewart. Next question. Who is the founding trustee of the Giffen Poetry Prize? Options: Margaret Atwood, Margaret Lawrence, P.K. Page. Answer: Margaret Atwood. Next one. Which work of Atwood is considered a dystopian novel? Options: Surfacing, Cat's Eye, The Handmaid's Tale. Answer: The Handmaid's Tale. Next one. Atwood described herself as a proto-feminist rather than feminist in one of her novels. Identify the novel. Options: Surfacing, The Edible Woman, Lady Oracle. Answer: The Edible Woman. Next one. What is the type of the novel Surfacing? Feminist, scientific, post-colonial. Answer: post-colonial. Next question. Surfacing examines the ambiguous moral landscape left in the wake of dash. World War I, World War II, French Revolution. World War II. What is the profession of the protagonist? Archaeologist, sculptor, freelance artist. Answer: freelance artist. Next question. At the last chapter, who visited the lake to search the narrator? Paul and Joe, Joe and David, Evans and Joe. Answer: Paul and Joe. Throughout the novel, which of the two characters express their hatredness towards Americans? Options: Joe and Paul, David and narrator, narrator and Anna. Answer: David and narrator. Next question. Atwood began writing plays and poems at the age of dash. 7, 9, 6. Answer: 6. Next one. Who declared Atwood to be Canada's most gossiped about winter? Options: Macklens, Michelrubo, James McDermott. Answer: Macklens. Next one. How many times Atwood won Booker Prize? Options: 2, 4, 5. Answer: 2. Next one. Atwood also the inventor of dash. Tablet, long pen, pager. Answer: long pen. Next one. Read the following and identify which one is correct. Options. The body of the father in the lake appears to narrator like the body of the child she aborted. Next one. The narrator in Atwood Surfacing is seemingly unmentioned, yet is full repressed emotions and anxiety. A is correct, B is wrong. B is correct and A is wrong. Both A and B are correct. Answer: both A and B are correct. Next one. Surfacing, the dash published novel by Atwood. Options: first, second, third. Answer: second. Next question. Who is the friend of the narrator's father? Options: Paul, Claude, Evans. Answer: Paul. Next question. Paul's wife is called as dash. Options: Madam, Mommy, Dear. Answer: Madam. Yes. Next question. Narrator's mother was died due to dash. Pneumonia, brain cancer or tumor, TB. Answer: brain cancer or tumor. Next question. Narrator currently working on illustrations for a book of dash. Quebec Fairy Tales, Idle, Ontario Fairy Tales. Answer: Quebec Fairy Tales. Next one. Who got license for fishing? Options: Joe, David, Anna. Answer: David. Next one. Who issued a license for fishing? Options: Evans, Paul, Claude. Answer: Claude. Next one. Who is in love with narrator? Options David, Paul, Joe. Answer Joe. Next question. Malmstrom was member of WPA in Dash branch. Quebec, Ontario, Detroit. Answer Detroit. Next one. Who made the statement that Canadian American Yank? Options David, Joe, Anna. Answer David. Next question. Whose attitude is referred as male chauvinistic? Options David, Joe, Paul. Answer David. Next one. The narrator throws her wedding ring into the dash. Lake, pond, fire. Answer fire. Next one. Narrator's husband was a dash. Doctor, artist, professor. Answer professor. Dash technique is used at the time of seeing her father's body. Brainstorming, stream of consciousness, none of these. Answer stream of consciousness. Next question. The protagonist finds dash trees are dying. Options white pine, white birch, white maple. Answer white birch. Next one. In whose car did the protagonist came to the island? Options David, Joe, her own. Answer David. Next one. Who is good at reading palms? Options Anna, Joe, David. Answer Anna. According to Anna, whose hands are dependable? Options protagonist, Joe, David. Answer Joe. Next question. According to protagonist, a father, who can fix everything? Options his wife, protagonist, Paul. Answer Paul. Next question. Who insisted women to wear long concealed skirts and dark stockings? Options local priest of Quebec, David, Paul. Answer local priest of Quebec. Next one. Who were ashamed of wearing bathing suits? Options protagonist, Anna, women of Quebec Island. Answer women of Quebec Island. Next one. Among the four friends, who wanted to become a minister or priest? Options Joe, Evans, David. Answer David. Next one. Who is leasing boats? Evans, Paul, Claude. Answer Evans. Next question. Anna and David are married for dash years. 279. Answer 9. Next one. Barometer symbolizes dash. Husband and wife, protagonist, Quebec life. Answer husband and wife. Next question. Where do protagonists find barometer? Options Claude's motel, Evans' boat, Paul's house. Answer Paul's house. Next one. Who is Percival? Options friend of protagonist, employer of protagonist, driver of protagonist. Answer employer of protagonist. Next one. What are sold like apples in seasons? Options earthworms, fishes, wines. Answer earthworms. Next one. Name the fish caught by David. Shark, salmon, pickerel. Answer pickerel. Next one. Which bird remembering protagonist about the image of her mother? Options blue jay, blue heron, puffins. Answer blue jay. Next one. Who proposes to start colony in the island? Options Joe, Anna, David. Answer David. Next question. Which animal's carcass is found in the island? Options bear, deer, wolf. Answer deer. Next one. Who destroy random samples? Options Joe, protagonist, Anna. Answer protagonist. Next one. The protagonist's brother works in dash. Options hospital, mineral rights company. None of these. Answer mineral rights company. Next one. Throughout the novel, the narrator experiences a near constant sense of dash. Options gratitude, anticipation, alienation. Answer alienation. Thank you so much. இந்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம மார்கரெட் அட்வுட்டுடைய சர்ஃபேசிங் அப்படிங்கிற நாவலில் வந்து ஒரு 150 MCQs நம்ம பார்த்துருக்கோம். இந்த 150 MCQஸை க்ரியேட் பண்ணி நம்ம சேனலுக்கு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணி சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுற என்னுடைய கசின் அரவிந்த்க்கு என் சார்பாகவும் உங்கள் சார்பாகவும் தேங்க் பண்ணிக்கிறேன். Thank you so much. Keep supporting.